this particular. So hi guys, we'll be learning how to design this thumbnail, this particular YouTube thumbnail. It's so easy guys. So the first is, let's import our background. You click on this from gallery. That's where we'll import our background. Alright, so the first, this is it here. We've imported it. Now we'll lock this image. Lock it. So the next step, okay, let's make it a little wider. Make it a little wider. A little wider. Alright, this is perfect. Then we lock it. So the next step here is for us to get our image. We get our image, this image. So just the same process, import the image. So this is the image here. Crop it, perfect. Then this is the image here. So if you look at this image, it's not the same as this in terms of color. So we are going to grade it such that the color look the same. But first, let's adjust the size. Alright, perfect. So you come over to this place. You come over to this place. You see where we have this blue button. That's where we'll go over, and then we'll come to filter. Then we adjust it. We tweak it till we get the result we want. Alright. Right, so yes, so this is the image now. If you look at the background of this image, it has some yellow stuff around about it. So I need to crop. I've overcropped it. Okay, yeah. So if you look at this image, there's some green stuff around it. So we come to stoke, then we select to say. So now they are the same. So this is it here. Then the next step for us is to, let me bring the image to the phone. The next step for us is to add this, the power of sharing knowledge in digital form. That's the next step. So the first step is for us to create this box. You come over to this point, shape, click on shape, like so. Then we adjust it, like so. We bring it at the bottom, bring it to the bottom. Perfect. Bring it to the bottom. So that's perfect. Then we have to change the color over here. We come to gradient. That's where we have the color, and this second option. Perfect. That's perfect. Then we will lock it. You lock the shape just as the way you lock the other one. So the next is the letter, the power of sharing information. We come over to this page, click on text, the power of sharing knowledge in digital form. The power of sharing knowledge in digital form. Perfect. Then we increase the size. You bring this one downwards. Okay. So then we make it center. We bring the text to the center. Perfect. Then we increase the size. Increase the size. That's perfect. We come over to boldness. Increase the boldness. Perfect. Then we come over to stoke. Take your time and look for look for them. So we come over to stoke. Increase the width. That's perfect. You can see it. The power of sharing knowledge in digital form. Let's increase it a little more. Power of sharing knowledge in digital form. That's perfect. So we lock it, bring it downwards. Then the next step is lecture margin. Lecture margin actually is quite simple. What we'll do here is we'll import text, write it over there, lecturer colon Marvin. That's my name. That's my nickname. Right. So now let's start editing. if you take note of it, it has a dark color. The color is dark. Yes, that's it. Then we come over to stock. Stock here. Come over to color white. Perfect. Then we come over to background. Make the background dark in color. That's perfect. We increase the color dark. Yes, this is perfect. Let's decrease it. Yes, this is perfect. So now we come to the typography. We make it italic. Here, italic. So there it is. Lecturer Marvin. Then we make it bold. It also has a bold color. Bold. Good. Then we lock it like so. Then the next step here is the color. Let's bring the color. So the color here is, we go to draw, right, and then we increase smoothness, we increase blur radius, and then we increase the pen size. The color, you can also change the color. Change the color, right? So perfect. But if you look at this color, the color is quite different from what we have there. The color is quite different. So I just increase the size. Now let's look for this color. This color, come to this place. We have kind of a size. Come to color, right? So we look for the color. It's actually a sharp green, something of this nature. Right, so this is the color here. What we will do now is we'll send it to the back. We send it to the back of this image. Send it to the back, so you can see that. You can see, so easy. Send it to the back, quite so easy. Then the next step, once we are done with that, we lock it. We lock this color, lock it over there. Then the next step is to import these images, the book and the flower. So image from gallery, click from gallery, then browse. Then I think I have the image here. Here is number 1 image. Then I also bring the second image from gallery, which is the book. Browse, and here is the book. Then you bring it from there. So these are the two we'll be using, right? So these are the two. Then let's start with this. What we'll do is we'll increase it, then we send it to the back of this image. You can do it, see the way I do it. I'll just drag it, send it to the back like so, then bend it, tweak it. Let's decrease the size. So there it is, right? And the color here, we are going to come to this filter, color filter. Let me change the color to suit. Right. So then once we are done, let's turn it. Let's turn it a bit. Turn it a bit. Okay. Once we are done, we lock it. We come over to this place. This is where we have it. We lock it. Then we do the same process for this, for the book. Unlock the book. Send it to the back of the image. Then we decrease the size. We rotate it. I think we reduce the size. Yes. Okay. So then we change the color. We come over to color filter. Once we are done, we'll lock it over here. Right. You can see, guys. So you can see it, guys. So this is the image. This is the image. So easy. Then remain this bottom part, the top part rather. We import the image from gallery. Or the image from the gallery. The image here. This is the name of my brand. So this is it. Then we come to stroke to make it seen. We come to stroke, stroke, right? So like so, and then we lock it. Then copywriting series, we add our text. Copywriting series, all in capital letter. Copywriting series, okay. Then we change the fonts. Yeah, so change the color. If you can't see the color, we'll just come to this page, then click on the color we want, and then replace it. Okay, right. Then we come over to stroke. You know it has a white border. Stroke, white border. Right, then we come over to boldness. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Boldness. Right, so this is it. Then we lock it. So this is it. It's so easy. Let's delete this one. Delete. So this is our result here. So easy to design. Right, do not forget to like, share. Do not forget to subscribe. Right, I love you guys. So easy, and return for more inspiring content. We come over here and then we save it as our image. Save to gallery, and there you check your gallery, you have your image. All right guys,